Hello, welcome to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today I created this look. I was not feeling well this morning. I felt my energy very low, and for me, makeup makes me feel a little bit better, and I decided to play with makeup, and this is a look that I created. If you want to see what products I use on my face today, just keep on watching. And if you're new here to my channel, hello, my name is Paulina. Thank you for stopping by, and let's get started with this tutorial. I got this sample by Beautyblender. This is the Opal's Essence Serum Primer. So I'm going to try this. This is my first time trying this primer by Beautyblender. I haven't used a Beautyblender in a long time. They're one of my favorite sponges, but they're a little bit expensive, so I haven't bought one of those in a long time. Yeah, lately, I don't know what it is, but I haven't been feeling really good energy-wise. Like, my energy feels very low. I've been trying to take vitamins and see if that helps my energy boost. But, yeah, so I don't know if anyone else feels like that, but my energy has been low. Okay, this smells really good. It smells really good. It smells nice, and it feels really good on the skin. Ooh. It gave me a glow. And then also, too, my skin has been breaking out a lot, which I'm not very happy with it because it took me a while for my skin to get better. And I feel like the stress and the mask and then the heat, it just causing my skin just to have a moment. And I've been breaking out a lot. For foundation, I'm going to go with this Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Too Faced came out with a new foundation, and it's like the matte version of this one. I really want to try that one. Would you guys like to see a review on that foundation? Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see a review on that foundation. I really want to try it out, but I don't know. But I really like this one, so I'm going to go with this one, and this is in shade Pearl. I think this foundation is going to be light for me right now because I am getting a little bit of a tan this summer. And then I'm going to go with this Bare Minerals brush. I was cleaning my brushes and then I found this one and I was like, oh, I forgot about this one. So I'm gonna apply 2 pumps. Go like this. Okay. I like how natural this foundation looks. And it's very buildable, but I like how natural it looks. Definitely that foundation is a little bit light compared to my hand. I am a little bit more darker on my hands than on my face. Okay, I'm going to let the foundation sit on my face for a little bit before going with concealer. But first, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to go with this Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. This has become one of my favorite eyebrow pencils. It is thick enough for my eyebrows just to go a little bit, to add a little bit of color to it. And I really like it. And I'm going to go in shade 5. For concealer, I'm going to go with this Makeupforever Matte Velvet Skin Concealer. This concealer has been one of my all-time favorites at the moment. It's really good. It gives you a nice full coverage and you only need a little bit of product. Apply here too. For me, definitely my favorite season has to be fall. I really love like that cold vibe and like the leaves falling out. I really love fall season. And for powder, I'm going to go with this Shiseido Synchro Skin Translucent Powder. It is a matte powder. And I'm actually going to use the loofah that it comes with. I'm just going to apply it here. For bronzer, I'm going to go with this Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer. Mine is broke, and look at this sad story here. Mine fell and broke, but we're still going to use it. And I'm going to go with this Wet n Wild brush. It's one of their oldest old collection. It's the P53. It's my temples first. And this bronzer is so easy to work with and it blends really nice. And it gives me like that sun-kissed effect without being like too much. It's one of my favorite bronzers. For a blush, I'm going to go with this Lancome blush, and this is in shade Aplum. It's a nice pink deep shade, and it's a matte blush. Apply it here. For eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Urban Decay Naked palette, the ultraviolet palette. My favorite shades are actually these shades right here. They're really, really good shades I really love. I wish these shades right over here were a little bit more pigmented, but it's not my favorite palette, but I really like these shades, and we're going to use this palette. The first shade I'm going to go with is this shade called Mind Slip. It's like more like a matte peachy shade, so I'm going to use this one right here first, and I'm going to use this blending brush, and this is from the Lab, Just Blending In Brush Lab. I got these at Walmart. And then I'm going to go with this shade called Hacked. It's more like a matte burgundy shade, so I'm going to take that shade with the same blending brush. And then just apply it right here on the outer part of my crease. And then on top of my eyeshadow, I'm going to be applying this Stilla Shimmer shadow, and this is in the shade Grace. My lid. Thank you. So I'm going to apply this right here. Then I'm going to go with this Morphe brush. It's a flat brush. I'm just going to blend this out. And using the same flat brush that we used to apply the shadow, I'm going to go in back with the shade Hacked, this burgundy shade one, and I'm going to apply it under my lower lash. And I'm going to curl my eyelashes here. Ooh, I almost got my eye there. Then for mascara, I'm going to go with this It Cosmetic Lash Blowout Mascara. And because I really want the eyeshadow to pop, I'm not going to put fake eyelashes because I do have hooded eyes. And if I put fake eyelashes, it's just going to make my eyes a little bit smaller and you can't see my eyeshadow. And I feel like my eyeshadow is really pretty. And then with a little bit of mascara, it just looks good. And for lips, I'm going to go with this Makiage lip liner in shade Coffee. I feel like I'm missing something on my cheeks. So I'm going to go with this Benefit Dandelion. It's a blush, but it also is very shimmery. And it does give me like that kind of a, more like a highlighter effect. So I'm going to apply this on my cheeks here. And this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would deeply appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.